SM-12 is an electric mobility scooter launched by FREEGO this year for daily commuting and urban transportation. The front wheel is 12 inches and is equipped with a 250 watts brushless motor, and the rear wheel is 10 inches. The SM-12 weighs only 16.5 kilograms and can be easily put into the trunk of the car. It is equipped with a soft saddle. The installation of the saddle is very simple. You can also add another saddle for your child. The maximum speed is 20 km/h and the range is more than 30 km.